రాష్ట్రపతి అయ్యాక ప్రణబ్ ఏబిఎన్కు మొదటి ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇచ్చారు. ఓసారి ఆ ఇంటర్వ్యూని మరోసారి చూద్దాం.
రాష్ట్రపతి ప్రణబ్ ముఖర్జీ మనతో ఉన్నారు. ప్రణబ్ దాదా నమస్తే. We congratulate you on behalf of ABN Andhra Jyoti. How do you feel, sir? You are the first citizen of the country.
I am elated. As I mentioned, when this offer came to me, I responded to the media friends by saying that I am humbled and honored by this distinction conferred on me.
So what is your dream of India? How it should be?
President of India Republic is to discharge its function within the constitutional framework, and Constitution has envisaged the role of the President, its responsibility. I will exactly discharge that role. In our system, policy making is the primary responsibility of the Prime Minister, Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister, accountable to Parliament.
So you have long association with Andhra Pradesh. Who is the most lovable person from Andhra Pradesh according to you?
I should not sit on this value judgment. I have large number of friends from Andhra Pradesh. From the very beginning of my political activities in the late 60s, I have received support and guidance from my seniors in Andhra Pradesh, starting from P.P. Narasimha Rao and many others. And when I grew up, I received support from large number of younger people. But I would not like to sit on any value
You like
judgment.
all of them?
Thank you. I received support and cooperation from all of them.
Okay, sir. Final question. So, final one. According to you, what is the future plans for India? What you are going to do for India?
As I told you that as President, my responsibility is to protect, preserve and defend the Constitution, and I will exactly do that. Thank you.
So, you had been a senior politician and a serious politician also. This is a new role. How you are going to play this new role?
I will have to play this new role. Many politicians have assumed this role before me, and it is on the pages of history how they have discharged their responsibility. So I will be no exception. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Final question, sir. People of Andhra Pradesh also want to know how do you going to solve this Telangana problem?
Please. No.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇది తెలంగాణ సమస్యపై చెప్పడానికి ఇష్టపడలేదు. అయితే రాజ్యాంగం ప్రకారం తన విధులను నిర్వర్తిస్తానని కూడా ఆయన చెప్తున్నారు. వి విష్ హిమ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.